DJN TV.
My betalicious person, I welcome you to another edition of DJN TV Daily News Update. That's your one-stop channel where they give you ogbonge story them and gist, and I say they share it for inside our Obodo Nigeria and all around the world. If that's the first time you see our video be this, I beg you don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post story, you will still know say better don't show for your favorite TV channel. We don't come with another news we honor today. I know for a very long time now, we get some issues with security, bandits, nama people there, different things that they really happen for this country. Be like say, we can't really look at it. Say, come like say, we not just know where would they go for the country again because last everything just be like say it turn one kind. The whole thing they confuse person. Now at first when the first start for the northern part of Nigeria, the first say, they not fair, they take the thing too serious, and then government not to show. Not really to try to cut the thing to end down for that time when it is start. You understand? Now the thing called they grow. Before you know, they spread, the entire west, the entire east, the entire south. This issue of farmer Fulani herdsmen clash, Fulani herdsmen and community clash, ethnic clashes them. You think the whole thing not just they make sense at all again because I don't know. The thing it really bother me. You understand? As a person, it bother me based on say security now everybody matter that it be, and when the government refuse to, to rise up to their responsibility to ensure the security of lives and property of the citizens, then the citizens go take laws into their hands, and at that part, now not really too good because by the time people begin to take laws into their hands, for them to stop go hard. Now maybe they read this news console more than for know the matter with the ground. Now for Edo State, it never to say here, we be like say Kasala boss between members of the Ogege community and the Arewa youth the way they for Edo State for that Ogege community. Now what happened? And they say this particular guy where they always seize their bikes for the community, and so they're not too happy about the whole thing. What did they call up when the guy come, they just catch the guy, poof the guy, barbecue the guy. Matter now don't make sense. And then now no security agent people step into the issue to say, wait till they solve, no we'll put an end to this thing. Before you know now, the youth, they don't use, they not fit take them again. They say how that kind of matter go happen. Before you know, it is not a crisis between the Edo youth and the Arewa youth. The whole place they hot as we say they speak to that area, they hot that area and no go area now. Based on say the Edo youth go carry the fight, go meet the Arewa youth for where they always their quarter where they gather they stay. But many of their things, injure people put for ground. Now all these things and how would they try to avoid from the beginning, we make everybody they say government, look into this issue because this thing you get as it be. Nobody get monopoly of violence. That be the truth. Nobody get monopoly of violence. Well, the Edo State government not come and say, come put one law now say, no more grazing at night. In fact, as a matter of fact, from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., no more carrying of nama na be grazing. Where they carry nama about they go find what the nama want chop. Say that one don't end for Edo State. In fact, from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., anybody they catch, they carry nama they waka. They go arrest the person and seize the nama. And then number two, say they get small market, the way they sell all these things. Before someone they go set up their own illegal markets, or they call cattle market. There are some people else, the young guy they set up their own illegal cattle market. They don't take government look and say, okay, all these things they say they join, they contribute to the security strength for the state. So they don't say no more illegal cattle market for Edo State. If you want to do cattle market, you guys go register with the local government authority for where you want to situate your cattle market put. so that it go be like say proper record dey of the people wey dey carry nama for inside the state and the people wey dey sell am, you know, so that if something dey wrong, dem fit know how dem go fit handle the whole situation. Na the matter wey dey ground na be that one. Although some people dey call out the Edo State government say, you no dey try, na for your time, so things dey happen. Edo State government don come outside come talk to you. Governor Godwin Obaseki don come outside come talk say most of all these people wey dey accuse am na because he comot for the former party wey he dey, which is All Progressive Congress. They be members of the APC and dem wan just rubbish him name, they want dabaru him name so that e go be like say for this tenure he not just try at all. He say no get time to give ear to all those ones. So wetin dey happen now be say no more illegal cattle market, no more night grazing, but we see how the matter go be if all those things comot. Another thing for me, aside the no more grazing for night grazing, because at least for night I say most of all the bad things there. Apart from the no more night grazing, another thing I'll say make them look into now, the security of farmers, especially for communities wey be like say they go farm. Not like when you go those Onwa East, Onwa West, those areas they go farm, they go inside better bush, they go do their farm. And anything can happen inside those places then. If government get a way, like say, they go fit set up maybe like a form of security committee or security group, whatever, anyhow, where go they enter inside this bush with these farmers, so they follow them so that all these bad people there, they don't go fit do anything for inside bush. Because most of the atrocities where they happen, now for inside bush, now for the happen, when people go their farm. So okay, maybe they go harvest something they plant. They go reach and one person go come as a content and say, you not fit farm for you, you not fit do this for you. That kind of thing, you know, your make sense at all. At the end of the day now, they go fit buy the person for there. Then nobody go even know how the matter be. And you don't even see anybody who you want who for the matter. And then most of all these roads when they listen, most of us our communities, they're very lonely. Even for daytime, and they're lonely. You know, if you set up more checkpoints for these roads, it go really go a long way to improve the security situation for the state and even the country as a whole. Federal government still, you know, imbibe these suggestions then. Put more security checkpoints, retrain our security men, our policemen, not because they go collect money for roads. Because the new one they're going to do now, they're going to collect the tax. They don't come back to road, they don't begin the tax drivers 100 now, 1,500, depending on the size of the motor where you for the come. Not down the same one that go road go do. When the same one that go road go do, now to make sure say people when they pass the road, they're safe. Safety of the people when they pass the road, now people tell me they now go do for them, not to go they collect money. So if government go really like look into these issues like this, make sure say the security personnel they do the real work where they say they go do for roads. And then the fit set up maybe like a vigilante arm, like one like vigilante, where go they follow these farmers there. Occasionally they go inside bush, go make sure say everything they okay. In addition to the no more night grazing, where they talk, and no more illegal cattle market for the state. All those will go a long way to improve the security situation for the state and the country at large. Well, many of us let me talk the matter. How you see this matter? What do you feel say government supposed to do to help? Because right now, this issue of Arewa youth, they clash with Edo youth. Arewa youth, they clash with Owerri youth. They clash with. It don't make sense at all because men it's not go turn to full-blown war. War not be waiting anybody. Really, if you don't experience crisis before, you know what they say me they do war. But the way they think they go now, it be like say the government they favor one set of. I don't know what they talk to. The way they like they favor one set of people over the other set of people, and that one so now no good. Anyway, how you see the matter? Drop your comment for the comment section. We're gonna read your comments. I beg, if you never still subscribe till now and you never still like this video, may you give the video thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. Also follow us for Facebook, we're there for Twitter, we're there for Instagram at DJM TV. You understand? And also get our website www.djmtv.com. News.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ LTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.